Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike out here on Toledo Bend Lake, making another video this morning, doing a lake test run on number 167. It's a 1969 9.5 horsepower Johnson for Ronald, and she's a beauty. Completely restored. Completely restored and ready for a lake test run on the Missy boat. Let's back her in the water and take her out for a run. Okay, we're out here this morning with Ronald's motor on this 9.5 Johnson. I've been running there. She runs great. Pushes the Missy boat about 15 miles an hour. That's real good for a 9.5. I mean, it starts right up, idles perfectly. She's a 10, Ronald. I don't give out 10s very often, but she is one. She's pretty, and she's fast. Let's take her for a run. Here we go. What I do, I love it when they come out so pretty like this. These 9.5s are awesome motors. Let's check reverse. Take it for another spin. Super sweet motor. Okay, Ronald, give me a shout when you're ready to come pick her up. She's ready. Don't get no better than this. See y'all next video. free prize? That's right, Team Mike's giving away free prizes. All you got to do is go to Team Mike's website, teammikevintageoutboards.com. The link is below, and find the link for Team Mike's trivia quiz. There'll be a trivia quiz question on there, all about vintage outboard motors. Just answer the question and click submit, and at the end of the month, put your name in the hat, make a drawing. Whoever's got the first correct answer wins a prize for that month. All right. On the form, also, when you get there, at the bottom, it's got a section for a message. It says, talk about your vintage outboard motor or your experience with Team Mike. So if you want to put some personal details down there, I might read a few of them out during the live stream. So win your monthly free prize, no cost. Just go to Team Mike's website, teammikevintageoutboards.com, click on Team Mike's trivia quiz, and answer the question. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, teammikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay Team Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, teammikevintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at Team Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.